My name is Grace and I'm the real estate diva. Today I'm out taking a look at another property I'd like to show you. It's somehow a rainy day in Lagos today. We've been on break and suddenly the rains are back, and well, we're glad about it. And here is Ibeju Lekki in Lagos, and at the community I'm standing right here now is called Akodo Ise. Akodo Ise is towards the end of free trade zone after the Dangote Refinery, after the manufacturing plants on the axis, and of course after the Campagne Tropicana Resort. This is Akodo Ise bus stop is just about 5 minutes from Campagne Tropicana, and then the estate is just a lovely one, newly launched. This is it. The signage behind Gracias Seaside Estate Scheme 2 or Phase 2. Phase 1 is at a parking not too far from here, about 10 minutes drive from here, and Akodo Ise is the host of the Phase 2. Look at it, facing the Atlantic Ocean. It's a beautiful one, isn't it? So behind me over there is the property. That's the signage, and the property is right there. The clearing is being done right now and getting it ready for a location and development work that would commence in due course. It's a dry land facing the Atlantic Ocean, as you can see. Like I told you, this place is just about 5, 6, let me say roughly 7 minutes from Campagne Tropicana Beach Resort, and it's a lively community with the community dwellers living right here. So right now, the estate just unveiled and it's in the market now. The plots are done in such a way that you have the beachfront plots and you have the regular plot. The beachfront plots are selling for 1.5 million for a full plot of 600 square meters. The regular plots are going for 800,000 naira for 600 square meter and 600,000 naira for 400 square meters. So whichever suits your purpose, you can get. And this is the time to key in because the property is selling so fast. So if you are looking to get in something here, now is the time to act. The title on this property right now is Excision, that is still in process. Excision is a process for this property, but it's a lovely place. It's a beautiful place. Take a look. I'm going to show you pictures from this site.
Jason on the beat, oh yeah. Only for you. If you say I get you superpowers, I forgot me to where you go. Dr. Dollar Entertainment. I'm the end of the fight, like Power Rangers. Oh, I forgot me to where you go. Now me be Cinderella, oh, and you be Superman, oh, yeah. I forgot kiss you where you go. Now you be Dramenta, oh, now me be Sunita, oh, yeah. I forgot me to where you go.
So there you have it. What do you think? It's a beautiful place, don't you agree? If you'd like to have something right here at Gracias Seaside Estate Phase 2, all you do is contact me and we can work together to make this beautiful property yours. If you would love to have it. Thank you.